Hello, welcome to Anshula's Academy, and this is the series of NCRTs. First of all, we will cover Geography NCRT. Today, this is NCRT, 6th class NCRT. In this NCRT, we have mainly 7 chapters. Chapter number 1, our Earth and the solar system. Second, how the globe and maps help us. Third, locating places on the Earth. 4, days and seasons. 5, major domains of the Earth. 6, India, our country. 7, our climate, natural vegetation and wildlife. Then, chapter number 4, pipeline covered हो गई. Then let's start. Chapter number 1, our Earth and the solar system. About 1500 years ago, Hindu believed that the Earth is supported on 4 elephants standing on a giant turtle. Ancient Egyptians and Greeks thought that the Earth was flat. Later on, Greeks realized that the Earth must be curved. The Greek astronomer Claudius Ptolemy, around AD 150, suggested that each planet moves in a small circle, the center of which moves around the Earth in a large circular orbit. The sun, moon, and the stars have fascinated the man ever since his every existence on the Earth. The celestial bodies are so far away from the Earth that the man could make only wild imaginations about them. On a clear dark night, a fuzzy band pitch of starlight is seen across the sky is called Milky Way. Our Earth, the Sun, and the Moon are the part of the Milky Way. Everything that exists around us comprises the universe. In 1925, an American astronomer Edwin P. Hubble pointed out that there were millions of galaxies like the Milky Way in our universe. The universe is expanding like a balloon that is being blown up. The universe is vast. Stars are the heavenly bodies like sun that are extremely hot and have light of their own. Every star is a huge mass of hot gases and big flames are coming out of it. These are billions and billions of stars in the sky, but only 2000 stars can be seen with the naked eye on a clean moonless night. Stars from various shapes. Similarly, in this night sky, the stars also from various patterns. Stars are formed due to fusion of hydrogen and helium gases. A group of stars thus forming various shapes is called constellations. These constellations are named after animals, heroes from the folk tales and ancient ghosts. Ursa Major, the Great Bear, Taurus, the Bull, Leo, the Lion. It is some names of the constellations. Saptarishi is also one such constellation. It is a group of 7 stars, 7 phases. Although the stars are very big in size, they appear small because of their huge distance from the Earth. The star which lies immediately above the Earth's north pole and around which all other stars seem to revolve is called polar star. The Indian name of pole star is Dhruvatara. In ancient time, people used to watch star to determine directions. Galaxies are huge congregation of stars held together by the forces of gravity. There are about 100,000 million galaxies in the universe. The galaxies which the Earth belongs is called a Milky Way. In this galaxy, our sun is one star. Every star we can see with the naked eye is part of our Milky Way. In India, Milky Way is known as Akashganga. The nearest galaxy outside the Milky Way is the one faintly visible on to the naked eye as the famous Great Spiral in the constellation Andromeda. This galaxy is estimated to be about 18,000 light years away. The Sun and its family. The Sun is a star. The Sun is the center of the planetary family in the solar system. The word solar means the sun, means of the sun. The Earth is one of the 9 planets that orbit the sun. These planets and their moons from the solar system. This is called the solar family. The Sun is the head of the solar family. The 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, my very efficient mother, just serve us nut and nuts. Pluto तो ठीक है ना. My Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune moved around the sun. Planets revolve around the sun. They are not self-luminous, but shine by the radiating the light receiving from the sun. The sun is the largest member of the solar family. Our Earth is 150 million kilometers away from the sun. Scientists believe that the sun has been formed from a moving cloud of gases which is called nebula. Its surface temperature is 6,000 degrees centigrade. The sun, consisting mainly of hydrogen, is continuously undergoing a change in which hydrogen changes into helium. The sun, by virtue of its mass and weight, controls the movement of the planets. Planets are spinning around the sun. They have their own path of movement known as orbits. The time taken by a planet to revolve around the sun is called a year. Mercury's year, shortest of all, is only 88 days mass farthest from the sun than that of the Earth. Has a year almost twice as long as Earth's. Another set of smaller heavenly bodies move around the planets. These are called satellites. Earth has only one natural satellite, the Moon. Jupiter has the largest number of satellites, 6. Solar family is a big family. Other members of the solar family are asteroids. These are a belt of a kind of debris which somehow failed to assemble into a planet and keep revolving between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. More than 1,400 asteroids and have been named. Sirius is the largest asteroid, having a diameter of 670 kilometers. Meteors are small heavenly bodies coming from interplanetary space while making round the asteroids often collide and break into smaller pieces. These are popularly called shooting stars. A meteor which does not burn completely on entering the Earth's atmosphere and lands on the Earth is called meteorite. Often they creates craters on the Earth meteor crater in Arizona, USA is a good example of that. Comet is a collection. Comet is a collection of gases and dust which appears as a bright ball of light in the sky with a long glowing tail. The tail of a comet always points away from the sun. Halley's comet was last seen in 1986. After 72 years, it will be seen by us in the year of 2058. 2058 में लिखेगा Earth, the most thoroughly studied planet in the solar system, lies at just the right distance from the sun. It is a unique feature as there is water in liquid form on the Earth. Earth is the third planet in the solar system, but according to size, it is the fifth planet. The Earth has a diameter of 12,756 km. It takes about 365 days and 6 hours to orbit the sun. The Earth spin on its axis in an anti-clockwise direction. The shape of the Earth is more or less like a sphere, which is slightly flattened in the north and south, slightly flattened or tapered at the poles. The Earth is best described as geode. Seen from the space, the Earth appears blue and white. The blue color is due to the fact that most of the surface, about 71%, is covered with water. The white is water vapor in the form of clouds. Earth is also called the blue planet. No other planet has surface water. Earth is the only planet in the universe where life exists. If the Earth was much closer to the sun, the water would boil off. If it was further away, the water would freeze. Thus, the location of Earth is an orbit which favors the presence of water in liquid state is the sole reason for the existence of life on it. Moon. The Earth has a natural satellite. The Earth has a natural satellite. Its next door neighbor, the Moon. It spins on its own axis and orbits the Earth as well. The Moon takes 27 days and 7 hours to go all around its orbit and also to spin on its own axis. Thus, it always presents the same side towards Earth. The Moon is about 384 400 kilometers away from the Earth, and it looks very small. Scientists have a long debated the moon's beginning, whether it was created when a planet-sized object smashed into the Earth years ago or had an independent origin. Being nearest to the Earth, the Moon was the first target for space exploration. In 1959, an unmanned Soviet spacecraft Luna 2 crash landed on the Moon. In 1969, 3 American astronauts traveled to the Moon in Apollo 2 spacecraft, and 2 of them, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, became the first humans to land on the Moon on 20th July 1969. Moon has no water, no wind, so no sound can be traveled. On the last trip to the Moon, Apollo 17 astronauts explored a mountain valley. They traveled near 21 miles in their lunar rover, collected about 240 pounds of the Moon. No, इंडिया के भी 3 मिशन हो गए, चंद्रयान फर्स्ट, चंद्रयान सेकंड, चंद्रयान थर्ड. चंद्रयान फर्स्ट 13 का था, सेकंड कितना था, 19 का, 2019 का, और थर्ड 23 अगस्त 2023 को. तो 23 अगस्त को स्पेस डे भी मनाया जाता है राजस्थान इंडिया में. The moon's orbit is not in the same plane as the Earth's orbit, but it is inclined to it at an angle of about 5 degrees. This fact is of great importance in determining how often eclipses occur. The only phase at which the Earth's shadow can fall on the moon is full moon, but since the moon's orbit is inclined 5 degrees to the Earth's orbit, lunar eclipses can take place only if full moon comes when the moon crosses the plane of the Earth's orbit or is close to it. This happens 2 to 5 times each year, but not more than 3 of these times are total eclipses. And really, the moon neither decreases nor increases as most people believe. Over a month, the moon moves across the sky from west to east. It spins once on its axis each time it goes round the Earth. The moon is lit by the sun and does not have light of its own. Only half of the moon is lit by the sun. The other half remains dark and invisible. The moon appears to change its shape because we see this phase from different angles. When the moon is nearest to the Earth, is called the perigee. This may be as close as 2,21,000 miles. At its farthest point, apogee, maybe 2,53,000 miles away. The lunar month measured from new moon to no moon is 29.5 days long eclipse. An eclipse of the sun would take place at a new moon phase every month, as it is solar eclipse occur from 2 to 5 times a year whenever the moon crosses or comes closer to the plane of the Earth's orbit at the new moon. Important terms: stars, solar system, satellite, asteroid, comets, or meteors. Stars, self-luminous bodies in the universe. Solar system, family of the sun, comprising the sun and the 9 planets. Satellites, small celestial bodies other than the planets. Asteroids, very small planet-like bodies which revolve around the sun between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. Comets, another category of heavenly bodies. Meteors, small pieces of solid mass which move about in the sky. Thank you. Thanks for watching again.